Yeah. So we need to do before going to amortization, we need to create two GL, one GL for amortization as expenses. Okay. Expenses. So, okay. Three hundred 101. Account type, primary cost revenues, account group expenses. Category, primary cost. Okay. This is process amortization for 4.1.3.1. It will come, but okay, we'll go. We'll check this thing first. Transaction whether what we have posted, up to which we have posted or not. That 3002. So the document posting status. We are not posted this one. So we'll check this one. 3001, I think. Normal interest we have posted. Yeah, this we have posted. So 17 also we have posted. Okay, this okay. We'll take it this one only 3002. Why? Because we have currency USD so that we can check the conversion rate also. So posting 14. Okay, I'll post this one.
So what was the transaction used for posting? Or let me make note once again.
3002.
3002. Okay.
Okay, okay. 1 second. I'll go with it and we'll open that one. Three zero zero two.
Okay.
1/4/2023. First execute test run. Okay. To term loan. Okay, that is there. Okay, we'll remove test run and execute it, and then we'll go for it. Okay, document posted. So 1st April, we'll run amortization for 30th April. Let us see what happens and what errors we'll get. That also. So amortization running, valuation, amortization, everything is the same transaction code TPM1. 3002. So date is, I'll take it as 34/2023. Here valuation category, whether you want to reset or without reset, we can. So first we'll mid-year valuation without reset, we'll take it.
What does without reset mean?
So it won't, just like accrual. Yesterday we have seen the accrual. Next day it will get reversed. So whatever the
Oh,
amortization
okay.
process, month ending and next day reversal. Okay.
Okay, understood. Yeah.
Foundation log also will check it and then select run valuation. So some error that might be GL error. So posting log, message, account symbol. Someone has changed this position account
my
to
God.
1.1. Okay, we need to what to do. We'll give that one. 1.1. It will be there in server generally. Okay. Account symbol 1.1. Okay, one check our this thing. Wait, type MM11 fine. Borrowings increase. So 11,200. But we'll get so much of subject. Here it is one only. Why it is given going for 1.1? Okay. Where from this it is picking up? Why it is taking 1.1? That I am not understanding. It should take one only. No GL account
Yes.
in the long term. 1.1 is for okay. Why to waste time?
Yesterday we created 1.1, right?
No. Yesterday 3.1. Yesterday I created 3.1.
Okay, 3.1. Okay.
Okay, let us see. So that okay, as of now we'll change it and then I'll search why it is taking. Okay, I'll change it. 1.1. Same GL will give. And then again next one is 4.1. Okay, what is that? We have some other this thing. Okay, we'll go back. So many things, validation. From here we'll go. Another is there. 4.1.3.1. This is also we need to do. If someone this, or else if you want to go make it, you are taking only screenshots for the demo, no?
No, demo I will take. I will create a movie.
Okay. Which one you are using? You can use the SAP tutor, no? That would be better.
Better than this?
Yeah.
SAP
This
tutor,
is
how do?
okay. Just I'll 4.1.3.1. It's go to interest expense only. Account assignment reference LTL. GL account. Where we have not created accommodation loan. After this also we'll get some error for cost OK benign settings. That also will do it. Let the error come. When we go for cast element, we need to do default settings for OK benign settings. Cast element will come into picture. No GL is assigned to account symbol 4.9.42. Where from? Why it is also coming? Oh. Okay. Foreign exchange valuation is there. That's why it is asking.
Oh, okay.
So INR to USD. So that's why it is asking. Okay. What is it? 4.9.42. 4942. Let's check. 4. Write up revenue in foreign currency. So for this, okay, as for a timing, we'll give the same interest account only will give. Let us see. That we need to create another GL account for foreign currency valuation, gain or loss. So write up that I'll change the GL later on. Just I want to see how many errors are coming. So first I want to close the errors. GL account I'll change later. Okay. Foreign currency valuation, some error it is giving. Okay. It's only warning. It will take a table value. These are the flows.
Okay.
Okay. Best what we want to do, we'll okay, anyhow, foreign currency valuation has to be there for loans other than company code currency loans. Okay. Logs plus messagation, posting log. Okay, immediately it will. Here foreign currency valuation, nothing happened. Amount in INR currency is there. So why? Because we need to maintain the exchange rates as on the key date valuation. So we have not maintained OB08 settings for we need to maintain the USD INR conversion rates as on the 30th April. That's why the old rate it is not taking and it is giving only this thing. Okay. It is giving 0, but it is giving INR value. So here you need to one thing select. This is the new feature available in only in HANA. How amortization calculations happen for this thing. This you can, if you want, you can go through leisure lately. Okay. Whenever you find time, you can go for valuation.
Okay.
Okay. This is the new feature. Amortization value in USD is 575.08. So you can go through this thing, but it will calculation. You need to have formulas, and you need to formulas also will get it in SAP library or somewhere. So just go through it. This is the new feature available. See, this will help us in securities also. Bonds amortization of bonds and mutual. There we'll get the same formula, same logic will be applicable in security. So if you go through it, there you will find easy. But anyhow, we are not going to calculate anything, only the thing we are doing. Foreign currency valuation, only here is only an outdated forex rate on 26/4/2003 was found for the forex valuation. Okay. This is how accommodation goes. Then accrual deferral, we have seen entries yesterday.
Yes,
Okay.
we have seen. Yes, we did.
We didn't. TPM
Mhm.
44. Okay, we'll see. Transaction 3001, we'll take it. 3001, not no, 3002. If any postings are pending, system won't take accrual calculation. It will. Okay. Yeah, we have seen configuration is also done. So 38/4 it will post and reverse on 1st May. So
Okay.
next topic, we need to create one short-term loans also. We want to go for facility. Facility means it's ad hoc limit sanctioned by the bank to utilize as and when required. For that, they will make charges and all things will be there. By using that facility, we'll utilize the short-term loans for our short-term working capital requirement, whatever you say. Do you have any idea about facility?
Yeah. The facilities and revolvers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, financial supply chain management and treasury and risk management, transaction manager, under money market, it will come.
But
Product.
hardly anyone is using facilities these days, correct?
No, using.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Even SBD UK is also using facilities for their LC and BGs.
Okay.
See, facilities are two types, Satya. One is fund-based and second is non-fund-based. Okay, fund-based means we can utilize that and when required for working capital requirements or short-term loans or something. Non-fund-based only you can utilize it for bank guarantees and letter of credits. Every time we cannot take the long lengthy process of giving security for LCRBG. Instead that they will companies will take non-fund sanction of certain limit so that they can utilize as and when required continuously. Even SBD UK also they are using non-funded facility for their LC and BG. Even another company is there. What is there in US? Variant Medical System. They have base here also in Pune. They are also using for bank letter of credit and bank guarantees. They use non-fund facility.
Okay.
See, I'll show you one thing here. Where will use it? Take FTR edit. You will take our this thing only. Here we have. If we are taking short-term loans, from where we are utilizing the facility. So this is not our company code. Some other company codes are there. So what is there? We'll see one company code, M001. Okay, M001. Okay, here we'll see. So that it will M001. Product type, sorry, 56A. So whether some no transaction just created but not using anything. Okay, facilities are not there. Okay. No one has created, just they have created, but they have not made any transaction. So facility 56A. The same thing, product category is 560. Facility category, bilateral or syndicated. It's in only bilateral. Bilateral means only one bank will give us. Syndicate means syndicate of banks, just like consortium loans, they will give facility. So whether I want one thing, whether we want to continue here or we'll skip this one, and at the time of discussing letter of credit and bank guarantee, then we can come and see it for short-term
Up
loan
to
as
you,
well.
man. I mean, whatever is a logical fit. I can make a
Yeah,
note of it and remind you when you're doing that as well.
yeah, that would be better. Why? Because it get confused. We'll create
Okay.
facility for this thing when we have. Okay, we'll go with what we can see. We'll go with when facility with LC and BG. So now
Okay.
we have trade finance in HANA S4.
Mhm.
Previously, there was no LCBG, standard LCBG. We used to create it under money market. But now, SAP has provided this letter of credit and
That itself is LCBG is what is we refer to as trade finance, correct?
yeah, this is the new feature, new topic available in S4 HANA only. It is not available in ECC. Now they have introduced in EHP 8, ECC EHP 8 with HANA database. That too,
Okay.
on demand, we need to download this one feature.
But it's not available.
It is not available in ECC trade finance. We need to customize just like long-term loans. So today, so up to where you're there in your practice. What are the topics completed in your sandbox server?
I completed the FI configurations and the treasury initial configurations.
Okay. CO not done, eh? Basic CO. Basic CO has not
CO
done.
basic I've done. I mean, setting up of
Okay.
cost centers
Setting
and
up.
things like that.
Okay. Cost center, one profit center, for our practice treasury.
Yeah. Very basic ones I've done. I've not gone
That's
into
all.
work-based elements and things like that. No, I've
No,
not
no,
gone into that.
no. Not required. Unnecessarily, we'll waste our time in our making treasury. Treasury transaction, it will go on giving errors. Again, we need to go on then. So basic done. So what are there? So you are not touching this server, our class server. You are only practicing in sandbox. That's what I am asking. Are you doing anything in this server? Transaction
In this
or
server, no, I'm not doing.
okay.
So the reason I'm not doing is I don't want to meddle with what you're doing. So I want to keep what you've done as a model.
Okay. Another.
So the thing is, if I get any doubt or something like that, I can look into this server and then configure the other server. Correct?
Yeah. No, that can be done. Or if you have any issues, you can call me also, or else just a text message or mail me with screenshots so that I can also work on that. Okay. Tomorrow, server, what is happened to server? Sometimes this server will go like in here. Transaction manager, reference rates we have done. Whether money market, okay, now which one we want to take up, either foreign exchange or securities?
Foreign exchange is better.
So when we go for foreign exchange, we need to go for hedging and everything. It will take a long time. It will take much time. So foreign exchange, we have only two product types. We don't have much product types, but hedging also covers under this.
Okay.
So my flow is just I'll go for securities. Securities also I won't take much time. Just mm, this one product type 1A028 mutual funds and treasury. When you talk about forex, easy access is more than IMG path. We need to have to do a lot of these things from easy access. So I'll go with this thing mutual fund and then bonds, variable bonds,
Okay.
fixed. These are the standard product. These someone has created this thing, and then issue of fixed interest bonds. That these will go. It won't take much time for us. Same flow is same only, but little bit 2 3 extra steps we need to configure, and even business partners also we need to create 3 business partners. Tomorrow I'll take up securities. For the prerequisites of securities is one is security class ID. Before that, the basic master data we need to maintain is business partner with 3 different roles. Anyhow, we are using one TR 0151 as a counterparty. Now we need to create business partner as another depository account, which is nothing but a demat account. Okay. After that, we need to have issuer. We need to create business partner with 3 different roles. Same business partner can be extended with these 2 roles or 3 different partners, business partners we need to create. Issuer. So counterparty only we have created now. Till now we have created business partner as only counterparty. Next, business partner with the issuer, and then business partner with the role depository bank. We need to create 3 roles of business, 3 business partners separately, or we can extend the same role with the same business partner. One. Next prerequisite is class ID. Class ID is nothing but what are the details of the that particular shares, issue date and what is the rate, all the things we need to maintain. In case of bonds, this security class ID is where all the calculations related to interest and other things. We need to fill up the interest rate and what is the term, what is the frequency of coupon and all the things we need to maintain in that. Just briefly, I'm going through. Mutual funds also same. If we want to validate our equities investment or bonds investment, and then we need to maintain one exchange, stock exchange. There we need to update the prices at the time of valuation. Again, if we want to value any shares or bonds or anything, we need to come back to TPM1 only. So TPM1 is for all categories valuation, forex valuation or hedging valuation, anything. Hedging means you need to go through a lot of material, I think. You need to go through these things. So first we'll complete securities, firstly, and then we'll spend much time on forex and hedging exposure management. That's what this thing. So I am skipping this sequence, money market, foreign exchange and all the things. See if just after that, okay, I'll go to this one thing. I'll tell. Hedging configuration is very less. Oh, sorry, accounting. See here, if you see hedge accounting for exposures, hedge accounting for positions. These are the only settings. Only number range, maximum number range only. Define number range for hedges, assign all hedge relationships, only number ranges only. But when we enter into hedging, this is the basic concepts, but we require prerequisites, yield curve we need to maintain, evaluation type we need to maintain, everything we need to maintain. So that will take some time, and understanding also it will take some time. So that's why I'll give a little more space for that topic.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what do we do now then?
Next, tomorrow we'll go for this thing, securities. We'll
Okay.
create securities, basic settings, exchanges, security type prices, master data. Tomorrow we'll do it. So if we
Okay.
have, just go through it. Here when we go it, here one question comes under securities. Whether when I buy it and sell it. So I'll buy in different rates. Suppose 100 rupees per share, one lot, another date 105, another date 110 or 103. When we sell it, I may sell it for 115 or 110. What would be the profit or uh, loss on that particular? So I have accumulated 1,000 shares in different rates, and I sold it for 200 shares. What is the profit on that 200 shares? At the time of evaluating the profit and loss, how the system should take, whether it is weighted average or first in first FIFO, that is the main thing we need to consider. So generally in our server, I don't think so, but you can do it in your sandbox server. There you will get it perfectly. Here, basic, so many people might have done so many things. Here in this case, once you have adopted one method of valuation, so weighted average or FIFO, you need to continue with FIFO only. If you want to change it from FIFO to weighted average, you need to close all the positions. All the positions of your investment should be 0. Then only you can change that one. Once selected the valuation method, weighted average or FIFO or LIFO or whatever it may be, it won't allow you to change the other valuation method unless until you have 0 investments. So in our servers, I am afraid so many people, that is also client level, not at company code level. So it may, if they have, someone has adopted a FIFO only, we can continue with FIFO only. So that I'll tell you that you keep it in mind and do it in your server, sandbox server. That is only the criticality here in our practicing server.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Sajat, just go through what is equity investment in shares and other things that you know. What should be the valuation? This valuation at the time of selling, whether weighted average or FIFO. Previously, in old versions, SAP is to give only weighted average, not FIFO. After that, in ECC only, they have introduced from HP 6 weighted average or FIFO also they have introduced. So that time, afraid that valuation. Okay, I'll check in, confirm. We'll see tomorrow. We'll make one transaction, configuration and transaction of one equity product type. Okay. Okay, Satya.
Okay.
Right. Okay, for today.
Okay. Good night.
That would be new topic. It will take some time. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.